just wanted to put a final closure on the international record we did a couple videos on. We got Brian from BNR Trucking out of Flint, Michigan. He's got this sweet step deck. Should be able to motor up, no problem. Of course, we got no brakes at all. But if you need any trucking out of Flint or anything, you know, he's very reasonable and super awesome guy. So check him out, BNR Trucking. The hook and the hub. No brakes. Beautiful trailer. I mean, look at this thing. It's a steel frame with aluminum decks. I guess it's like a combo. I mean, this is awesome. And then you don't have to worry about getting stuck on railroad tracks as much either, like those low boys. You've all seen those videos. Oh man, you got the sweet setup in here. Look at this. Stainless steel bins and all that. Million binders. Here's a glance at his rig too. You see he's a true patriot. BNR Trucking, Flint, Michigan. Faith, family, and friends. Grace. It's all good. I'll definitely check him out if you guys need anything moved anywhere out of Flint. He just did some measurement, and the stack was what? 13.8. 13.8. So we're gonna go ahead and unbolt that. Beautiful. Oh, darn, lost a propeller. This drone's a DJI Mavic Air 2, and a lot of time people ask how you get the shots. Well, it does have auto flying, but like it can track a subject, but if you put that on it, it's liable to fly into a tree, which is exactly what it did. You see one of the propellers just came off, but these are very easy. You just go like this. Trying to cover my information on top of it. There you go. So I have a whole bunch of sets of them, and overall, I mean, very robust. I've crashed this thing several times, never had an issue. And just noticing this battery has been sitting for a long time, so we'll go ahead and recycle that. Yeah, it's worth $10, or you could use it as a good core. Boom, locks into place. What a great design.